Hi guys, today I will present you an autumn-based color makeup. Let's get started. Firstly, I will use the Porefessional primer by Benefit. Because it's a pore filling primer, I will press it in my pores so it can mattify my face better. On the rest of my face, I will use Total Moisture by Benefit. And because I have very bad dark circles, I will use an eye cream to minimize them. Even though it's an anti-wrinkle cream, in time it will prevent me from getting wrinkles. By doing lifting moves, it helps the product sink in the skin much better. For the foundation, I will use the L'Oreal Infaillible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. Mixed with a little bit of Pro Foundation Mixer from NYX. This will help the foundation to match my skin much better. Next, we will test the foundation on our neck and jawline. So we will make sure that we will match everything perfect. I will use a beauty blender from Real Techniques to apply it on the rest of my face. Next, I will use a concealer from It Cosmetics by Undereye. Even though it's a thick concealer, I will use just a little bit to don't make my under eyes look cakey. Some people like to use their fingers to press the concealer and to blend it, but I prefer a beauty blender. Make sure that it's not too light. I will blend it again with the beauty blender that I use for the foundation. To set my whole face, I will use a raised powder from Cinecitta. This powder doesn't contain talc, so I can use as much as I want to, and my foundation won't look cakey, and my skin won't look dry. And to make sure my under eyes are perfect, I will press the powder into the skin. In time, my concealer won't crease during the day. Same thing I will do with my smile. And apply the rest of the powder to my face. And because it's a loose powder, it can get everywhere on the desk and on the clothes. Next, I will use the Revolution Pro palette in the shade Cool to sculpt my face. Basically, I will use the first two shades and I will apply it where I want to sculpt my face and to give it a perfect shape. Maybe in the beginning the concealer looked lighter, but now when I will bronze my skin, it will match perfectly. As a blush, I will use today the Dandelion from Benefit. Make sure every time you apply the blush, smile to find the perfect point. And because in 2019 there was no limit when using the blush, we can apply as much as we want. We can apply it also on our nose. As a highlighter, I want to use a beaming one from the Soph and Revolution collaboration. That's a little bit too blind, but I like it. For my eyebrows, I will use a gel from Inglot in the shade 69. Mixed with a little bit of Inglot Duraline. Is to underline the eyebrows. Don't get scared if you mess it a little bit. Then we can clean it after using a foundation. A little bit, because every girl does mistakes. Next, we can blend the line. Eyebrows, they still don't look the same. They're twins. No, they're cousins. To set my eyebrows hair in place, I will use a gel from Rimmel London Brow This Way. Start with the eyes. Today I will use Morphe and Jaclyn Hair collaboration palettes. In Armed and Gorgeous and Ring the Alarm. Firstly, I will blend in the crease a burgundy shade. Basically the shade Siren from the palette. Make sure to tap the excess off. I will use a clean brush to blend my edges very well. Nextly, I will use a more fluffy brush from Morphe, and I will use the shade Smooth Criminal. I will do a cut crease using the concealer. erase the excess color from the palette. And the shade Alert. Make sure you blend those shades very well, so we won't have a line between them. Next I will use excess mixed with a little bit of gel strip. And in the inner corner I will use the shade VIP. With a little bit of Cyber and the shade Access with a bit of gel drip. I will do the same to the other eye and I will be right back, guys. See ya! So guys, I am back. Next I will use the mascara from Benefit. But the most important thing is to curl the lashes before and also after we apply the mascara. I will apply just a little bit because the next step I will be applying the lashes. And because the makeup is not complete without false lashes. Before applying the lashes, I will use a little bit of black liner in my waterline. Next, I will use lashes in the 22 from AmaBeauty. Be right back! So, the lashes are on. The next step is the lips. I will use a Primark lipstick in Velvet Matte in the shade... I don't know the shade. And because everyone does the Kylie Jenner lip trick, we will overline them a little bit. And also, I will apply a little bit of lip gloss. And I will clean the edges a little bit. So, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!